影分身の術。
Hey everybody, welcome to another Splatty video, and today we are going to be drawing a Naruto chibi character. So starting in the middle as usual, we draw a U shape for the head, and from there we're going to add a line straight across going like that, and another one going across like that. So now we have the headband. And we are going to draw his very spiky hair. Naruto has this big spiky blonde hair. Make as many spikes as you'd like, and there we go. Now draw a line down there and there to make the little forehead protector, and add in the straight line with the squiggle with a triangle at the end of it, the konoha leaf. So we have his konoha head protector, his forehead protector. We can add on ears, little detail line in there. That side the same thing. So we have Naruto's head with his ears, his forehead protector, and his big hair. We are going to add one eyebrow tucked under the headband like that, and another one curling up like that, also tucking in under the headband. A line coming across, little arc like that for the eye, and a big eye below that. And on the other side we're going to draw a little line up and over. We include his nose there, we add in his nose, his whiskers, and his face is taking shape now. A reflection in the eye, and his big blue eye. There we go. Now with a naughty Naruto smile. There we go. So Naruto's head is done. We are going to be continuing with the body. So the fluffy collar he has on his orange and blue outfit, we just do that, just a little collar, line going down the middle, and two more lines beside that. Okay, so now we are going to draw his ninja seal, his hands, but we're just going to do a representation of his hands. His fingers is not going to be detailed because this is just a quick chibi character. So the fingers and the knuckles, and we draw a bit of an arm with the other finger showing on that side, and a bit of an arm, and we add two big cuffs over here. So this is jacket cuffs. There we go. On this side we draw the forearm on the other side. We bring around the shoulder down to the elbow and complete the arm on the bottom side like that. Same thing happens on the other side. We bring it around, complete it at the bottom. We add a line over here, and on this side we add another line there, but we all know Naruto has this weird little thingy on his sleeve. If somebody can tell me what that is, I would really like to know. But it has a squiggle in it, and it sort of looks like a slingshot kind of thing. Don't know what it is exactly, with a little bit hanging down. So we added that in there. And now from below each forearm we're going to draw in his body. It's going to be very short, it's just a cute small character. Complete the jacket at the bottom. We'll add another bit, and then we bring the center line down all the way, and the other two as well. And now for the fluffy collar, we add in these lines. Okay, so half his body's done. continuing onto his legs. One leg out that way, one leg out that way. Just make sure they're even at the bottom. Draw straight lines for the bottom of his pants and the inner legs, inner side of his pants, and there's his legs. So now we are going to add in his little pouch or his kunai pocket he's got strapped to his leg. And now we draw a sole just floating down here, just below the pants. That's the two soles of his shoes. And we add in his toes, so the big toe first, and then we add little toes in there. So the big one and then 4 small ones. And we complete the lines there for his feet. And we add just another little line going across there because he's wearing sandals. We all know the sandals. You can add a pocket here and a pocket there. And our Chibi Naruto's done. So now we are going to color. And as you know, I'll just speed this one up. So okay, so I'm just using the yellow here for his blonde hair. Very quickly just getting all the yellow and his eyebrows as well. There we go. Gonna go with the dark blue on his headband. And the upper part of his top. Got the color going everywhere the blue goes, finishing up with the blue. His light blue eye, different color blue, and the orange. His outfit is predominantly orange, mostly orange. There we go. Let's get the sleeve and the pants, and he's almost done. It's rather quick. Now for his little pocket there and the skin color. Got his fingers, ear, and his face. Okay, and his headband, and he's done. And there we have it. So you guys can always rewind and re-watch the video, you know, pause and go along slowly if you want to. But this is a very simple character to draw. It's very easy little line. Oh, we forgot this bit here. I need to add a brown for that. And that's that. Okay, so there we go. Thanks for watching. Please like, do subscribe, be good, and have fun. Bye.